It's almost midnight, and a Video Shield mobile unit detects an intruder. Video Shield operators spring into action, immediately dispatching the police. Police are on scene at the construction site. Knowing the police are there, this intruder quickly gives himself up and walks out of the property under construction. After confirming this individual is not authorized to be there, the intruder is arrested and taken into custody. As additional officers arrive on scene, the police do a perimeter check of the property and ensure the site is clear. No damage or theft occurred tonight. The police clear the scene, and the Video Shield mobile surveillance unit continues to do its job, watching over this construction site.